love fish. I love it when it's fried. I love it when it's grilled. And what makes that fish taste even better is tartar sauce. So today I'm going to share with you how to make homemade tartar sauce to elevate the taste of your fish dishes. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise. You may use your favorite type of mayonnaise. We have 2 tablespoons of relish, the juice of half of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Now, if you don't have parsley and you have dill, you may also use that. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 pinch of black pepper. Now, this is really simple and really quick. We're going to mix all of our ingredients together. So to a large bowl, I'm going to add the mayonnaise in no particular order. The mayonnaise, the relish, the parsley or dill, onion, salt, black pepper, and lime.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I gotta
add additional lime juice for more acidity.
Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay.
Our homemade tartar sauce is done. It looks wonderful. You can see all of those chunks of goodness. We're seeing the parsley, we're seeing the onion, we're definitely seeing the relish to give it that sweet taste. And now the final touch, just to add a couple of sprigs of the chopped parsley to the top. Just waiting for your next fish dish. If you need to elevate your next fish dish, if it is fish fried or fish grilled, I highly recommend using this recipe. Homemade tartar sauce. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this homemade tartar sauce recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.